Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Ben Albright with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. I'm here to show you the 2019 ZX1 made by Tige Boats. I'll start here on the back platform. We've got an awareness camera here on the transom. We've got a back locker here. You can put a slalom ski in there, or ropes, gloves, whatever to your preference. We've got a tow bar here for slalom skiing. This is a pole for tubing or slalom skier. Got cup holders back here if you're just hanging out in the cove, anchored out, watching the kids swim or your friends. You've also got a convenience place right here. Is a transom remote for the stereo. So in this particular ZX1, it's got the real pretty blue metal flake on the outside. It's got the blue accents in the interior. I really love that, along with the diamond stitching. This seat comes back so you can have a reverse observer seat. Comes back so everybody can watch. You also have stadium seating here. In the back you have the transom that comes, it's got through storage all the way through to the front, so you have slalom skis that you can put down here, keeping your storage very efficient. You got swivel board racks. Came out last year for Tige. Company standard on the ZX1 is the E2 electric power tower. It folds forward with the switch of a button. It's got the RGB LED lights that come around the speaker ring. One awesome thing about Tige that comes standard with all of them is the industry leading audio manufacturer Wet Sounds. So right out of the box you're going to come out being one of the loudest boats on the lake. Here in the captain's seat, you've got the 10-inch screen, keeping your visibility nice and Here in the captain's seat, comes standard is the 10.5-inch screen. You also got the smart wheel made by Tige. You can turn the wheel, it doesn't move, so it keeps you really convenient to navigate through your screen. You've got cruise control, surf settings, and volume control and track control for your stereo system. Underneath here you still have more storage that goes down with your amplifiers down there. You've got the cover down there right now, but you can see it's got plenty of storage space. Another convenient spot for the battery switch is the glove box. It's one of my favorite settings just because it keeps it easy. You don't have to go open any compartments in the back, turn it off really fast. It's really convenient. And this boat also comes standard with a heater. So you have 3 heater ports. You have this one here, so everybody in the boat can put the heater on them. And you know, if you're out in a cold morning in the springtime or in the fall or after a long rain in the summertime, you might just want to stay warm. You've got heater option down there below as well. Heat everybody in the back. We have a filler cushion here if you wanted to keep your bow, if you wanted to put your feet down here, you can do that, or if you wanted to put the filler cushion here and have everybody sit up front, have a big sun pad. This comes in like that, and voila! You're sitting comfy up front with everybody. Mom wants to hang out up front with the friends, no big deal. So come on down to Beaufort. Let me show you why. We'll go surfing and I can walk you through the rest of the boat. This is Ben Albright with MarineMax. This is the 2019 ZX1 built by Tige Boats.